Hey y'all, it's Kyra Tynay here, and welcome back to Honeylushescollections YouTube channel. And I'm back again with another vlog video, y'all. But I'm back, and I'm better, okay? And I'm not about to be missing no videos or no vlogs, because, yeah. So, yeah, it's been a couple weeks since I launched my rebrand or whatever, and actually I haven't sold anything, but it's okay. I'm still, you feel me, promoting my business as it should. So if you guys want to go check out my website, it's going to be up here on the screen, and it's going to be down in the description box below at honeylushescollections.com, y'all. I would appreciate if y'all do. Okay, and if you order with me, your order will come with a sample of body butter. Let me just focus it. A sample of body butter. So make sure you guys go ahead, check it out. But yes, you guys, I've been trying to stay consistent, y'all, and it hasn't been working out in my favor. And I'm sorry about that. I've been slacking, y'all. I've been slacking, and I ain't gonna lie to you. I have been slacking, but I'm back on my grind. And yeah, I don't even know. It's like March something. I have no idea. I'm gonna put it up on the screen, y'all. I don't know what day it is, even though I should be knowing what day it is. What's the dates? But I know today is Sunday. I'm filming this video like early Sunday, like in the morning. Like, yeah. I was like, I need to stop, you feel me, and get to work. Because I don't know what I've been doing lately. I just been slacking. And it's just not been too good for me. Like, yes. But I did just upload a video on my business room tour, whatever. So go ahead and check that video out. I'm gonna let you guys show you guys some of my products if y'all didn't watch my rebrand video of me launching and stuff. So I have my lemon pound cake body butter, y'all. It smells delicious. Look how like the texture it is. It's so textured you don't even know. It smells so good, and it's melts in your skin. Let me just do a quick swatch for you guys. So here is my little like sample to swatch. Like, it just glides on the finger. It melts into your skin, gives you that shine. It smells divine. Look at that. Smells delicious. It gets your skin looking good, and it brings out your confidence, okay, in your body. I also have my strawberry shortcake body butter, which smells divine as well. I feel like out of both of these scents, I feel like the lemon pound cake is way better than this one. It smells good. Like, I just like lemon pound cake, like, period. Here is my strawberry shortcake body butter. Smells delicious as well. Y'all, go ahead and shop my body butters, y'all. And yeah, I have some lip scrubs as well. This is my watermelon lip scrub. I have my natural lip scrub. If you don't really like pigments or scents, and don't really like too much stuff on your lips like that, I recommend my all natural lip scrub. Go ahead down below to go get it, period. So yes, you guys, I have not been doing nothing for real. So yeah, y'all, I've just been, you feel me, chilling, chillaxing. I'm trying to see, summer's finna come up, yeah. It's spring right now, but summer is approaching. And I kind of want to do a pop-up shop for my business this year, because I did do it last year. This year's a new year, and I want to start off on the good foot, and I want to get my brand out there, you feel me? I want my brand to get out there, so, I kind of want to do a, what is it called? A pop-up shop in my city. So yeah. Or let me know down below what city should I do a pop-up shop in, because I'm down. I'm down for whatever to get my business out there, y'all. And yeah. And also, if y'all did not know, I still have lots of my old inventory left. Yeah. These are my body butters. So yeah, y'all. Anyway, yes, you guys. That's the tea. That's the tea. I'm going to get back with you guys when I'm doing something or letting you guys know some stuff that I have planned. And yeah, peace. Okay, guys, I'm back. Go follow my TikTok, y'all. Please go follow my TikTok. I just did a pack a local order with me on TikTok. Go ahead, check that out. She's just supposed to been come pick this up, but she haven't yet. But because she already paid for it and stuff, it's hers. Hey guys, so an update on the pick up order that I was talking about in this video. She just wanted me to ship her package instead. So that's what I'm doing, y'all. Currently it is March 31st. And this lighting is kind of bad. I'm sorry. But I just wanted to stop into this video while I'm editing it and get y'all an update on what she wanted to do. She just wanted me to ship it out to her, and that's what I'm doing. Whenever she be able to pick it up, she's going to pick it up. I have it here for her. I can let you know what she bought. Let me just let y'all know what she got. Okay, let's just sit y'all right here, so I can let you guys know what she got. This is my pickup bag. She gets a thank you card. She gets a business card. She gets 2 business cards, actually. So she gets 2 business cards, thank you card, and what she ordered was my blue love pink keychain, my champion lanyard, my light pink heart keychain, and my other champion lime green. And she sold me out of these 2 because I only had 2 champions of my lime greens left, and she sold me out. So yeah, period. So she pretty much sold me out on all of my lanyards and my keychains. Let me see how many I have left real quick. I can show you guys that. But yeah, she placed this order like 2-3 weeks ago. Waiting on her to pick it up. So I have 1 of my love pink lanyards. I have 3 different colors of my heart keychains here. Back right here, y'all. Sorry. So yeah, and then I only have 1 of these left, and these is the lanyards and the lip glosses and the puff balls. So I come with the lanyard, the lip gloss, and a puff ball. So yeah, y'all have 1 left of these, y'all. Yeah, I'm kind of getting on all my old inventory, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. Okay, y'all. I have 2 honey bundle boxes left here. And then I have 1 of my body scrubs, which is the sorry y'all, let me get myself together. Which is the bubblegum body scrub, which this is actually the best selling one that I have, y'all. It's the body scrub in bubblegum. It smells delicious. I highly recommend this to get your body clean and to exfoliate your body, y'all. Periods. Okay, this is the stuff. Okay, this is the stuff of the stuff of the stuff of the stuff. Period. No capping here at all. I don't cap. My products do get the job, and y'all just let me know. Let me know what it is, what it's not. Okay? Period. Anyway, y'all, leave a customer review if you have purchased my items, because I want to know people's feedback. Like, I want to know feedback on my products. And yeah, subscribe to this channel, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Period. I'm not even done with this video, but I just wanted to let you guys know. And then comment suggestions of videos that you guys want me to do, because I don't even know. Y'all gotta let me know. Okay, y'all gotta communicate with me so I could get y'all videos that y'all want, and not what I'm just like pointing out to y'all to watch. Okay, so we could be on the same page, so we could just be face to face with the videos. Period. Okay, this bunny is well over through. Okay, it's through. Okay, I ain't even gonna cap to you. I know. Don't do that. Don't do too much. Period. And my lips crusty, y'all. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Baby. Sorry. But anyway, yes, you guys. So I have a couple of restocks. And yeah, I'm gonna just be done with this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell so you won't be late on any videos, and so you can be notified when I post a video and what time I post a video and all that. Okay, period. Because what's the tea? The tea is subscribe to Honeylushescollections. Period.